Hi guys, Kevlar here. In today's PC building in under 2 minutes guide, we're looking at how to install a Ryzen CPU. So here we have a Ryzen CPU, so you want to carefully take it out of the packaging. Sure you don't drop it because of the pins. So first thing to check is, are there any bent pins? So good just to have a look around and just check all the pins are straight. If you do have any bent pins, you can try and bend them back yourself. Just be very careful. Use like a Stanley knife or something, a very thin blade, so you can get in between the pins and try and slowly push them into the upright position. Okay, so then here we have the AMD style motherboard for your Ryzen CPU. On your Ryzen CPU, you can see in one of the corners you'll have the arrow, which is there, and you want to line that up with the arrow on the motherboard. Now we'll see on this motherboard here there's a little circle marking there. Okay, then you want to lift the lever on the motherboard, which will unlock the socket. Line your CPU up, place it in like so, and you'll see that's dropped in nicely. So this is where if you had bent pins it wouldn't drop in nicely, and that's where you don't want to force it because you could make the pins worse and bend them even more. Then close the bracket. That locks it into place. Okay, so the next thing you want to do before actually installing your cooler is to put thermal paste on the CPU. Now your cooler might have pre-applied thermal paste. If it doesn't, then you need to get your thermal paste and apply it on top of the CPU. Now lots of people do different sorts of methods. I like the blob in the middle method, sort of the size of a pea. And there we go. There's your paste in place, and that's ready to install your cooler over the top. And there we go. That's the CPU installed. I hope you found that useful. Hope you enjoyed. Please do like and subscribe for future PC building in under 2 minute videos. Cheers.